Steps to improve your credit scores. The specific steps that can help you improve your credit score will depend on the unique credit situation, but there are also general help steps to help you almost anyone's credit. Build your credit file. Opening new accounts that will be reported to the major credit bureaus. Most major lenders and card issuers report to all three is an important first step to building your credit file. You cannot start laying down a good track record as a borrower until there are accounts in your name. So having at least several open and active credit accounts can be helpful. These could include credit builder loans, credit or secure credits if you are starting out or having a low score, or a great reward credit card with no annual fee if you're trying to improve and establish good score. Getting added as a authorized user on someone else's credit card can also help. Assuming steps to improve your credit scores. The specific steps that can help you improve your credit score will depend on the unique credit situation, but there are also general steps that can help almost anyone's credit. Build your credit file. Number one, opening new accounts that will report it to the major credit bureaus. Most major lenders and card issuers report to all three is an important first step to building your credit file. You cannot start laying down a good track record as a borrower until there are accounts in your name. So having at least several open and active credit accounts can be helpful. This could include the credit builder loans or secure cards if you are starting out or having a low score, or a great reward or a great reward credit card with no annual fee if you are trying to improve and establish good score. Getting added as a authorized user on someone else's credit card can also be helpful, assuming they use the card responsibility. So number two, don't miss the payments. Your payment history is one of the most important factors in your credit scores. So having a long history of on time payments can help you achieve excellent credit scores. To do this, you will need to make sure you don't miss loan or credit card payments by more than 29 days. Payments that are at least 30 days late can be reported to credit bureaus and hurt your credit score. Setting up automatic payments for minimum amount due can help you avoid missing a payment, as long as you are careful not to overdraft your bank account. If you are having trouble offering a bill, reach out to credit card issuer right away, or try and discuss hardship options. Staying on top of accounts that don't generally appear on your credit reports, gym memberships, or subscription services for interest can also be important. The on time payments might not help your credit, but the account being sent to the collection could still cause your score to dip. So, number three point is catch up on past due accounts. If you are behind on your bills, bringing them current could help. While a late payment can remain on your credit report for up to 7 years, having all your accounts current can be good for your scores. Additionally, it stops further late payments from being added to your credit history, as well as additional late fee for those having trouble with credit card debt. Taking to a card counselor and getting on a debt management plan DPM could be a good option. The counselor may be able to negotiate lower payments and interest rates and get the card issued to bring your accounts current. So number 4 is paying down revolving account balances. Even if you are not behind your bills, having a high balance on revolving cards accounts can lead to high credit utilization rate and hurt your credit score. So revolving account includes credit cards and lines of credit. Maintaining a low balance on them relative to their credit limits can help you improve your score. Those with the highest credit scores tend to keep their credit utilization ratio in the low single digits. Number 5, limit how often you apply for new accounts. While you may need to open accounts to build your credit file, you generally want to limit how often you submit credit applications. Each application can lead to hard inquiry which may hurt your score a little, but inquiries can add up and have a compounding effect on credit scores. Opening a new account will also decrease your average age of accounts, and that could also hurt your scores. Inquiries and average age of your accounts are major scoring factors, but you still want to be cautious about how many applications you submit. One exception is when you are rate shopping for certain types of loan, such as auto loan or mortgage. Credit scores model recognize the debt rate shipping is not risky behavior and may ignore some inquiries if they occur within the span of couple of weeks. How long does it take to rebuild a credit score? There's no set timeline for rebuilding your credit scores. How long it takes to increase your credit score depend on what's hurting your credit and the steps you are taking to rebuild it. For instance, if your score takes a hit after a single missed payment, it might not take too long to rebuild by bringing your account current and continuing to make on time payments. However, if you miss your payments on multiple accounts and fall over 90 days behind before catching up, it will likely take longer to recover. This effect can be even more exaggerated if your late payments results in repossessions or foreclosure. In either case, the impact of negative marks will diminish over time. In addition to letting time help you rebuild your score, you can follow some steps. For you may also hear about credit repair companies that can offer you repair or fix your credit score or credit for a price. It might seem tempting, but credit repair companies cannot do anything that you cannot do on your own for free. Similarly, you should be wary of so called debt settlement companies that can encourage you to stop making payments is an attempt to try and settle the debt for the less than you owe. So, ultimately, work to reduce your debt obligations.